What is up, y'all? Welcome and welcome back to the channel. If it's your first time, don't let it be your last time. Make sure that you subscribe, share, like, all that good stuff. And if you are returning, as always, thank you for coming back. I've been a little MIA. I know. But we're trying to do better in 2023. I kind of got a little sidetracked with TikTok. But let me not abandon y'all. Either way, I'm back with a third video. I know I usually do like fashion, do a little vlogs, but I do enjoy putting y'all on to just tips and things that are going to make you a little extra coin. With that being said, if you are interested in everything that I pretty much know as of right now, as far as Amazon programs and having a storefront, then stay tuned. First things first, some people may not know the difference between Amazon, just the associates program, and then the influencer program. So I'm gonna just kind of go through that. With the associates program, anyone can pretty much apply and then be approved. With the influencers program, you kind of gotta have a wristband to get in. So it has been a lot of kind of like confusion as to exactly how many followers you need on your social medias to get in the club. If I had to give a rough estimate for the Amazon influencers program, I would say 200 followers. Aside from that, I honestly and truly do not believe that it's about the followers. I think it's contingent upon if you're active on the social media platform that you are using to apply to get in. If you're using TikTok, if you don't have any posts on TikTok, 9 times out of 10 you're not going to get approved because they want to see engagement. So I did apply 2 different times. My first time I got denied, and I want to say that I use my Instagram, versus at this point in time I started being more active on TikTok and getting viral videos on TikTok. So the second time, I believe I waited 30 days and then I reapplied, but I used either my TikTok or my YouTube because both of those were getting more engagement than my Instagram. So once you apply, it's going to be immediate. Either it's going to be an approve or a deny. Did get approved. This was as of July, so pretty much summer of 2022. Now that we have that out the way, let me just say, also with the associates, like I said, it's not as exclusive as you actually being an Amazon influencer. So when you're an influencer, you have a whole storefront. So you would have your link or your website set up, and you would have your Amazon storefront just linked all together. So once they click on your storefront, you can have several idea lists. You can have different posts like pictures and videos of products that you've actually posted, and everything that you recommend and that you love from Amazon is located within your storefront. Versus if you're an associate, you kind of have to do more work. There's not as many perks to earning money, and you do need to drive sales from your socials and try to get people to come over to your website or your link. And then you would have each product separately listed, or you would have to separately copy and paste each product. Like, let's say you're posting on Facebook like, hey, I want y'all to see these anklets, it's summertime. You would have to individually list the anklets and other products. Versus the storefront, everything is all located in one spot for them to find. They don't have to like, oh, let me go back to their website and then go to this link. Let me go back to their website and go to that link. Like, everything is all under your storefront. Hopefully that made sense. So now that that's out the way, with the storefront, I cannot believe that I have been leaving money on the table. No more leaving money on the table in 2023. We are going to do better. It's a very good opportunity as far as residual income, because it's like you do the work one time and then the rest kind of does what it does without you having to do so much work. So what I mean by that is, like, first off, you should be posting on your storefronts. Let's start there. I'm just coming to the realization through various people on TikTok who were talking about the on-site commissions that you should be actively posting on your storefront, just as if you were posting on social media. If you are not posting on your storefront and you are approved for on-site commissions, baby, you're leaving money on the table. We want to pick that up. With the on-site commissions program, you go to your storefront page, and if you go to my page and then you hit manage videos, you will see in your top right corner it will have a blue lock. So you do have to unlock this, and once you unlock it, pretty much you have now opened yourself up to more money making opportunities, because the content that you're posting on your storefront will be seen just throughout the Amazon platform. The difference in between people already being on Amazon, seeing your content, and being influenced as to why they should purchase this product is they're already on Amazon looking to spend their money, versus you having to separately promote products or post reviews to your socials and then try to drive them to your storefront. With the Amazon on-site commissions, people are already actively browsing, looking for products, and they also are looking for reviews. Amazon will potentially push this content to where people who are already browsing, looking to buy stuff, are going to see it. I literally had no clue. Once I found this out, I did start looking at products that I liked or that were in my cart. If you scroll down past the review section of the products, you will see videos, and it will tell you this video is from Shante Ree. She earns commissions. You can click on that video. You will be able to then see my demonstration or why I like the product. You can see it being used. And if that influences you to purchase the product, then I now have earned commission just off of having that video on my storefront, and then it also being pushed to the product page on Amazon. Stay with me. Y'all still with me? Let's get into what I had to do to get my wristband to get in the club. As I said, I definitely had to dig once I started coming about this information. I had to look through TikTok. I had to look through YouTube. There was one video that I did find very helpful through YouTube, and this was somebody that had said they already were approved for the program, and they told what they did. So I kind of followed their strategy and used the stuff that I had and that I purchased from Amazon. If you are trying to get approved, this is the things that I would suggest based off of my experience and information that I gathered. Also, if you do have any extra information, about this program or other programs that are affiliated with Amazon that will allow you to make more money, feel free to drop the gems in the comments, because that's what we're here for. Each one teach one over here. I made sure that I did not have any copyrighted background music playing, and I kept seeing that it was 3 videos that you needed to upload, and then I kept seeing that it was 10. I actually initially uploaded 3, and I also filmed the videos like this instead of like this, but yeah, from my understanding, it doesn't matter. But at the time that I applied, I was under the impression that the videos had to be vertical. I meant horizontal. I was under that impression. I also made my videos about 1 minute long, but then I've seen someone say they got approved and their video was under 1 minute. My videos were 1 minute long, and they were this way. Also, no background music playing. I made sure that I did not like compare products. Like if I was advertising a nail polish, I wasn't saying, oh yeah, because D&D gel is way better than OPI. Like OPI just sucks. Like I made sure to only talk about the product that I was showing. What else? Also, when you go to tag the product, you are not allowed to tag anything that is not in the video that you are specifically talking about. If I had a roll of paper towel from Amazon, I wasn't tagging Bounty knowing that it was a different brand. You are not allowed to like tag things and make things confusing or misleading. Obviously, you can't post anything that would be like questionable. Let's say you were doing some clothing. So anything where you not really wearing a lot of clothes, you can't do that. That's all I can think of at the moment. I went back after I uploaded 3. I went back days later thinking that maybe I should submit some more videos, and I actually found out that I was approved. So I thought it was 10. Apparently you can get approved with 3. Since I have been approved, I think it's been about 2 weeks, I'm actually seeing more revenue than I was in the months that I was promoting here and there, but not really working that hard to promote. So hopefully that makes sense. But basically I'm seeing a difference. It's in the middle of the month, and I compared this middle of the month to my revenue in previous middle of the months. And the only time that I did really well around this time, like in the middle of the month, was when I had viral videos on TikTok. And at that point, people were coming to my storefront just going crazy, purchasing the item that went viral. In this program, you don't feel the need to have to continue to buy things to review and post in hopes that it goes viral. You don't have to do that, because now you're going to be posting content of things that you have from Amazon already to your storefront, and it is going to be pushed to the shoppers on Amazon that are already looking to spend money. So I hope that made sense. If anyone needs like an actual demonstration and I gotta pull out my handy dandy iPad, I can do that as well. I'm trying to answer questions that I had when I was trying to apply for the program, but that's all I can think of off the top of my head. Hopefully this was helpful, and good luck to everybody who's already in the program or just trying to get in the club. I hope you get your wristband, and I will see y'all in the next video.